Hi guys, good morning. This is Pravi Five signing in. Today is a big day for us. Since the day we got the Himalayan, we were always keen on getting the tubeless rims on the bike, but there was no news about it until October first week. We got the news, we got the announcement that Royal Enfield is going to give tubeless rims for Himalayan 450. All excited. We just booked it within a matter of 1 or 2 days for about 12,000 rupees, which was the introductory offer. And today is the big day. Actually, I got the call from the service center saying that the rims are ready around just maybe 1 day before Motorverse, but I was not in the condition to get them done since it was just 1 day before it, and we were already heading towards Goa on Thursday for Motorverse, which started on Friday. So I was like, I'll get that done after I finish my Motorverse ride. So as soon as I came back, I reached out to the service center guys to fix an appointment to get the rims fixed as soon as possible. And today is the day. So to give you a very small introduction of what the tubeless rims are, the spokes come outside in the rim, and in the assembly that Royal Enfield is giving us, we have the rims, the disc, the hub for the rear wheel, and what else? Yeah, that's about it. So we're going to head to the service center now. It's 9 a.m. in the morning. We'll get that done as soon as possible. Looks like the service center has differences in getting them fixed. Few have the equipment to get it fixed right there. Few service centers remove the wheel, take it outside, get the tires removed and fixed, and then head back to fix the wheel. There goes our bike. Here's our goodie box. We're opening it now. We're going to see the contents of this box. Okay, here comes tubeless. Okay, these are the front ones, right? These are the front ones. Okay, great. Here are the back wheel rims. So the disc is already fixed there, if you can see that. Okay, great. Looks like that's the box where the hub is present. Yeah, there's the disc rubber and the hub. Okay, let's get that fixed. We are taking our rims outside to remove and refix the tires. We are here to get our tires replaced. So they're in the process of removing the tires from the old rims. It's a careful task to be done, because that's the reason we need to do it in the machine instead of the manual stuff that was done earlier usually. So the tubes have been removed. Now the tire is also removed. New boy, the tubeless front rims. So one thing that we have to be very sure of is that the arrow, the side of the arrow and the turning of the wheel should be aligned properly. I know these guys are experts, but it's just an information that we need to be careful about. Finally, it's done. The tire fixed on the rims. Here's our old boy getting packed. So what do we get with the rims? Here we have the tubeless valve that comes in. We also see the ABS ring and the disc pre-mounted on the rim. So this is just going to go directly onto the bike now. So we'll have to head back to the service center now. We've packed our old boy rims and the tube. So we have to find a place for him now somewhere. So front wheels and tire was done, fixing was done. Now we're getting the back tire fixed. We're removing the back tire now. See how smoothly the machine removes the tire. This is why we need a machine. So the tube is out. Now we will put in the new boy in. Repacking the old rims. The tire goes in. He's checking for the previous puncture. We got the culprit. So earlier we had removed the nail. It was a screw, in fact, not a nail. So we will have to fix the puncture now. So earlier we used to carry tubes, searching for a puncture shop to remove the wheel, the tire and fix the tubes. Now I guess we will just have to carry this tubeless puncture kit and a tire inflator so that we can fix punctures on the go. So this is the place where we got our wheels fixed, the tire fixed. It's a tire park. This is just opposite to the Indian Oil petrol bunk in Kumarsamy layout. It is very close to the police station here. The person who did the job for us. Thank you, boss. Here's the moment of truth, guys. Garuda is all ready with the tubeless rims. The old rims have been packed and mounted on the bike. I don't know how far it will hold it, but yeah, let's see how that goes. Now let's talk about the $1,000,000 question. How much did they charge? It was $1,394. And fortunately, the puncture shop fellow, fellow who fixed our tire, did not charge anything for fixing the puncture. So that was a good thing. So yeah, I will also put in the bill somewhere on the screen so that you can refer to that. So for 1,400 plus 12,400 is what I paid for the rims when we have purchased it. 14,000 for the rims and the fixing. Well, that's it for today's videos, guys. So I hope I've shared all the information regarding the tubeless rims fixing on Himalayan 450. If there are any more questions, please put it in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. I hope this video was helpful for anyone who is going to do the same fixing on their bikes. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe. Until next time, this is Pravi 5 signing out. Ciao.